So we have this Sur-Ron. Basically it's not turning on. The customer had attempt to try to fix this themselves, and they didn't have any joy. He said he was messing about with some wire here. He was pulling on a wire, on one of these wire, and every time he pulled on it, the bike will just switch off, and then he pull on it and then the bike will turn back on, and then it just went off and never came back on. So I'm hoping that he hasn't blown anything. Check this wire first to see if there's anything coming out of it. Okay, so this switch is working. That wire is damaged, but doesn't look too damaged to causing the issue why it's having. Okay, so I fixed the damaged wire. So but it wasn't enough to be causing this problem what this bike's got. So yeah, my apology, didn't get to do a full video of this Sur-Ron. So I managed to get it working. There was a damaged wire in the bottom, and I managed to fix the wire. And also there's a problem with this cable, the lighting cable, well, the light switch cable. Also fixed that as well, but it didn't really make any difference. It's still shorting the bike out. But yeah, it's up and running. Just need to put it back together. Okay, so this Sur-Ron's done. Was a bit of a pain in the ass, but I managed getting it working. This one had no power. So as you can see,